Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and hello if you're new. Thank you ever so much for joining me, everybody. As you'll have seen from the title, today is a collab and I'm doing it with Cutie Nails. Q's lovely, family woman, really nice girl, and she's invited me to do this collab for Valentine's Day, and we've decided there's no theme, nothing other than for Valentine's. So I've decided today to just do a gel polish design, which makes a change for me. I'm going to be using Madame Glam, and because I've got very few colours, I've only got about 5 colours so far, I'm going to have to use a pink, which is from Neo, Urban Graffiti, and a red glitter I've got, which is from Amelia, from Amazon. It's just a glitter one, but I want to do a pink Valentine's today, so I'm going to use base coat and everything from Madame Glam, and then these colours are Smelly Cat and Pivot. So let's get cracking. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do fairly simple. I've no idea where I'm going yet apart from one of them. So I'll have to work the others on around that. So I'll just give them all a base coat and stick them in, and then we'll work on one at a time. Now I'll put the link to Q's YouTube channel in the description. So I've not seen what she's doing at the point of filming this. I've got something on that brush. That's it. Yeah, I've not seen what she's doing. I've no idea. We've not given each other. I've got glitter on that. Not that it matters, because I'm going to paint over it, but let's get it off. Really, you need to have a base coat and a top coat, don't you? One for glitter and one for non-glitter. Because as well as you try, sometimes you pick bits up. Yeah, so what was I saying? I'll put a link in the description so you can pop on over, and if you've come over from her channel, if you've watched hers first, thank you very much for joining me. And don't you think Q's done a wonderful set? It's beautiful. I can't wait to watch the video. I've decided to go to voiceover because my chair was creaking like mad and Phil was shouting me, and I needed to cut lots of bits out, and the editing just became an absolute farce. So to cut this down from spending about an hour faffing about to 15 minutes was quite some feat. Anyway, we've got nail art on these kind of from beginner to intermediate. I think most people by now have done some hearts, so I just started with the dots and then joined them up, and decided then to do some tiny ones and some open ones. Excuse me. So that was that for that, and it was painted onto the colour, and it was a bit of a pain, so I decided to matte from here on to paint onto. So this is going to be my little teddy. So I'll let you just relax and watch this. I'll find you a bit of music and I'll pop back in a bit. Well, I know I said I was going to put you some relaxing music on, but I can't resist that. I get my music from Epidemic Sounds, and that's 100 times its instrumental version, Lakeisha Nugent. I don't know whether it is actually the instrumental version of the soundtrack to Peaky Blinders, but that's what it always makes me think of. And right now, while I'm editing, I've been having a little boogie on my stool, so I hope you enjoyed it. Right, so this little teddy is on the mat, and I'm just painting it over in the gloss, but I want the whole thing to be matte, and then I'm just going to paint that little heart with the red glitter, and that will just be gloss. So yeah, I right enjoyed doing this. The inspiration for this teddy actually came from a keyring that I'd seen, so it's amazing where you get your inspiration from, isn't it? But I thought I'll have a go at little Ted, and to be honest, I'm quite pleased with him. I was very happy with him. I can't say as I'm absolutely thrilled with the way the whole set's come together. I think you'd probably see it as 4 different feature nails, really, rather than a cohesive set. But there you go, I enjoyed doing them, and to be fair, I didn't have time to do any of them again. And do you ever get brain fog? You know, when you like think, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do on this other nail. So that's when we ended up with the bit of a marble. But something for everybody. So, what are you all doing for Valentine's Day? Are you doing anything different or exciting? Will you get treated by your other half? Or are you sending a card to somebody you've been fancying forever but ain't got guts to say anything? Me and Phil have been married now for 43 years, so there'll not be anything special happening here. He might bring me a bunch of daffies back when he's Dutch shopping, but I got one last weekend, and that's just how he is. I sometimes get a bunch of flowers, so we don't need it to be different on any other day. I think that's the key to success, really. But yeah, let me know if you're doing anything exciting. You never know, might give us inspiration to go out and do something, but I doubt it, because the price of everything these days, I mean, my word, when you've retired, you've got to be careful. Well, Phil's retired, I'm still supposed to be doing eBay, but with my fingers being bad, I've not done any for 6 months. I've been about 12 months not doing very much. I mean, I think COVID really affected a lot of us mentally. I go into the doldrums sometimes. I had a bit of depression, so that's another reason for doing the nails. It's like art therapy to me. When I'm doing them, I've not got my mind on anything else at all. So, and I have a bit of an obsessive nature. So I was obsessive about me eBaying, and now I'm obsessive about doing my nails. But I've got to keep doing some. I've got an eBay channel. And I did that primarily, so I know some of you have come over from that channel, and I thank you very much for that. You're very loyal, and it's lovely having you here. And if anybody's interested in seeing what I get up to in my day job, or what I've been getting up to, a little bit more about the family and stuff, let me know and I'll put a link in. But I'll not be doing anything until my nails have healed, because I sell a lot of vintage things, so I have my hands in and out of water and cleaning it, and I like to make sure everything's lovely when I sell it out. So anyway, I digress. Let's get back onto nails. So these are just transfers, just some stickers that I bought, and I think they were from Shein. I've been wanting to use them for ages, so obviously perfect timing. So I just did the red glitter, stuck these on, and then did a top coat over the top of this nail. I'll come back to you when we start doing this marbling. So I just painted this in the Quick Kiss, the nail pink, and then decided to use all the colours that I'd used as well, apart from the beige, is a marble. And so I've base coated it and then done this into the uncured base coat. I could have done this like a heart shape at the bottom, but I think I decided there were enough hearts going off on this set really, and so I just swept it across one corner. I was going to say sweeped. Swept that across one corner, and then I decided to gloss the bottom where the marble is and make the top matte to bring the gloss top coat and the matte together. So there you are. So I think it's like 4 accent nails really, but I hope you like them anyway. I just wanted the red and pink. I think that's a nice combination together. So I'm looking forward to watching Q's video as well. So if you've not been there yet, pop over. Don't forget to click the like button if you've enjoyed the video, because it really helps out with the algorithm. And the 33% of you that have subscribed that are watching, thank you so much. I absolutely love you to bits. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Don't forget to look after everybody and have a fantastic Valentine's Day. See you soon. Bye.